Welcome to Agricultural Science for SS1 at Light Tech Academy. Today we study Integrated Crop Management. What is Integrated Crop Management, ICM? Integrated Crop Management, ICM, is a holistic farming approach that combines the best available techniques from agronomy, pest management, soil management, water management, and economics to produce profitable crops in an environmentally sustainable way. ICM is sometimes called Good Agricultural Practices, GAP. It considers the whole farm system, not just individual problems. Differences between ICM and conventional farming. Conventional farming tends to maximize inputs, pesticides, fertilizers, regardless of need. ICM uses inputs only when necessary and at the right time, right rate, right place, and right source. This saves cost and reduces environmental damage. Components of integrated crop management. 1. Soil management. ICM starts with healthy soil. Practices: soil testing before planting to determine pH and nutrient status. Applying lime if soil is acidic. Applying organic matter, compost, farmyard manure, crop residues, to build soil organic matter, improve structure, water retention, and microbial activity. Minimal tillage or no-till to reduce soil disturbance, preserve soil structure, reduce erosion. Cover crops, green manures, fast-growing crops planted to protect and enrich soil, e.g. mucuna/velvet bean, cowpea. Crop rotation to break pest and disease cycles and maintain soil fertility. 2. Variety selection. Use certified improved seeds from reputable sources. Select varieties that are high-yielding, disease-resistant, e.g. CMD-resistant cassava. Adapted to local conditions, soil type, rainfall, temperature. Early maturing, to escape dry spells or plant a second crop. Quality protein maize, QPM, or other biofortified varieties where nutritional quality is a goal. 3. Nutrient management, fertilizer use. ICM uses the 4 rupees of nutrient stewardship, right source, use the correct fertilizer type, NPK 15-15-15 versus urea versus organic. Right rate, apply the correct amount based on soil test and crop requirement. Right time, apply at the right growth stage, basal application at planting, top dress at vegetative stage. Right place, or apply close to root zone, placement, no broadcasting, improves efficiency. Integrated use of organic manure plus inorganic fertilizer, ISFM, Integrated Soil Fertility Management, is promoted by IIT and FAO as the most effective strategy for African smallholders. Organic improves soil health, inorganic provides concentrated nutrients. 4. Water management. Rainwater harvesting to collect and use runoff. Irrigation scheduling, water crops when needed, not on a fixed calendar. Mulching, covering soil surface with crop residues or plastic reduces evaporation, conserves moisture, reduces weeding. Drainage, avoid waterlogging through ridging, drainage channels. 5. Integrated pest management, IPM, already studied in detail. Monitor pest levels. Use resistant varieties first. Use cultural controls, crop rotation, sanitation, timing of planting to avoid peak pest seasons. Use biological control or natural enemies, BT, NEM. Use chemical control only as last resort, choose selective, low-toxicity pesticides applied at the correct dose and at the right time, economic threshold. 6. Weed management. ICM uses a combination, preventive, clean seeds, sanitation, crop spacing. Cultural, crop rotation, competitive varieties, optimal plant density. Mechanical, hand weeding, hoeing, ridging. Chemical, herbicides, used judiciously, avoiding harm to natural enemies and the environment. Biological, cover crops that smother weeds, e.g. mucuna. 7. Harvesting and post-harvest management. Harvest at the right time, correct maturity stage. Handle with care to avoid bruising and mechanical damage. Dry green crops properly, maize to 13% moisture, paddy rice to 14% moisture, before storage. Use appropriate storage structures, hermetic bags, silos, improved granaries, to prevent pest damage and aflatoxin contamination. 8. Record keeping. Good farmers keep records of inputs used, fertilizers, pesticides, seeds, yields obtained, cost and revenues. Records enable analysis. Did a practice improve yield? Was it profitable? Enables planning for the next season. Benefits of ICM. 1. Higher, stable yields through optimal management. 2. Reduced input cost, no wasteful over-application. 3. Improved environmental health, fewer pesticides and fertilizers wasted. 4. Better quality produce, safe for consumption and export. 5. Long-term soil health, soil remains productive. 6. Farmer profitability, combination of lower costs plus higher yields plus better prices. ICM in Nigeria. Programs like IITA's Market-Oriented, Smallholder Agriculture Program and the AGRA, Alliance for a Green Revolution in Africa, fund and promote ICM practices. Extension workers in ADPs are trained to teach ICM to farmers. Remember, integrated crop management, ICM, equals holistic farming approach combining best techniques from agronomy plus pest management plus soil management plus water management plus economics equals profitable crops in environmentally sustainable way equals also called good agricultural practices, GAP. Components. 1. Soil management equals soil testing plus lime application plus organic matter, compost plus manure plus crop residues, plus minimal or no-till plus cover crops plus crop rotation. 2. Variety selection equals certified improved seeds equals high yielding plus disease resistant plus adapted to local conditions plus early maturing. 3. Nutrient management equals 4 Rs, right source plus right rate, soil test plus right time, basal at planting plus top dress at vegetative stage, plus right place, near root zone. ISFM equals integrated soil fertility management equals organic manure plus inorganic fertilizer combined. 4. Water management equals rainwater harvesting plus irrigation scheduling plus mulching, reduces evaporation, plus drainage. 5. Integrated pest management, IPM, equals monitor pests plus resistant varieties plus cultural controls plus biological control plus chemical control as last resort at economic threshold. 6. Weed management equals preventive plus cultural plus mechanical plus chemical, judicious, plus biological, cover crops e.g. mucuna. 7. Harvesting and post-harvest equals right time harvest plus avoid bruising plus dry grain properly, maize to 13% plus rice to 14%, plus proper storage, hermetic bags plus silos equals prevent pests plus aflatoxin. 8. Record keeping equals inputs plus yields plus cost plus revenues equals enables analysis and planning. Benefits. Higher stable yields plus reduced input cost plus improved environmental health plus better quality produce plus long-term soil health plus farmer profitability. Thank you and keep excelling at Lightech Academy, powered by Lightech Solutions Limited.